Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this okra gel and conditioner. If it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So to make this gel, I'm going to use a handful of okra and I'll cut it to the shape of my choice. After cutting it, I'm going to put it in a pot. After cutting the okra, I got about 1 cup from it, and I'm going to put it in a pot and I added 2 cups of water to it. And I'll cook it for about 5 minutes on a low heat. So at this point, if you want the gel thicker, you reduce the water, and if you want it lighter than like mine, you just have to put 2 cups of water. And after 5 minutes, use my strainer to strain the gel. And if you want the gel alone, this is it. And after straining it, you just add your essential oils to it, and you're good to go. Then after straining it, this is what I got from the okra, the gel. And you see it's so light because this is how I want it. So here I'm using my 10 grams of emulsifying wax, and I'm using my herbal infused oil, 8 grams, shea butter. I'm using 8 grams of shea butter, and also I'm using my vegetable glycerin, 5 grams. And at this point, I'm going to mix all the oils together, the emulsifier and the oil and the shea butter, in a mixing bowl. And also the okra water, the gel we got from the okra, in a separate bowl. And I'll put them in a hot water bath and to allow the oil to melt. After melting, then I mix both the oil and the okra together, as I'm doing here now. And I'll use my spatula to mix it together. And after that, I'm using my hand mixer to mix both the oil and the okra. So I'm going to mix it for about 5 minutes. So after mixing it for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add my essential oils to it. And I'm adding my peppermint, 5 drops of peppermint and 5 drops of clove essential oil. After adding my essential oils, I'm going to mix it more to combine it. And here you have your gel, your conditioner. So at this point, I'm going to pour it in my bottle, and store it. You can leave it in the fridge since there's no preservative in it, but if you want it to stay longer, you can add your preservative. This, I put it in the fridge. It stays for me for 7 days. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, and comment. See you next time. Bye.